Our mission in India is to transform the way India buys and India sells. When we are successful, we would have transformed the lives of customers and communities around us, and we would have transformed the country itself. We are on day one on this journey. To be successful in this mission, we need the best minds from the best B schools in India to come and join us, and this is what the AFBP program is all about.
AFBP program has been one of our flagship programs, and for us it is not about hiring people and getting them into roles. For us it is about building future leaders who can lead different businesses and different countries.
Hire and develop the best is a key leadership principle at Amazon. It is this leadership principle that drives our philosophy of investing early in talent.
AFBP Incubator is a program specifically designed to transform MBA graduates into Amazonians. AFBP participants do not join their teams directly. Instead, they go through this experience of incubation, which helps them assimilate into our unique and peculiar culture and also gain exposure across breadth of Amazon businesses.
In the AFBP program, right after the incubator, people start working on real problems. It's not as if they are working on simulated environments or in a training phase. We believe that teaching someone on the job is the best way to teach them the skills that they need to become leaders.
Through this journey, they are supported by their mentors, their managers, and peer network to gain the most from this curated learning experience.
By the end of the program, we believe that we would have equipped with all the information that is required to make a considerate and a deliberate career choice at Amazon.
We truly expect them to be the leaders of tomorrow who are going to invent products for our customers that our customers are going to love and cherish for years to come.
Work hard, have fun, make history is our tagline. In fact, one of the times when I was interacting with some students, they told me work is so much fun that they always make history. And that's what I tell all the students who are wanting to join us. Come make future with Amazon because it's so much of fun and you'll get a chance to make history.